What's up? My name is Claire. Today's video is going to be different than normal videos that I do, but I do have one video like this up on my channel from a couple months ago, but it is going to be a Trader Joe's haul, and I'm sorry if I seem like really far away. I'm not sure if this is going to work the whole time. I feel like you're like a million miles away. I need to probably zoom you in a little bit more, but as you can see, I went to Trader Joe's with my mom yesterday. I just moved here to Columbus, Ohio, and I'm from Alabama, specifically from Atmore. Went to school at Auburn University, and there aren't Trader Joe's there, so I'm not really used to it, and so it kind of amazes me. And I honestly watch a lot of Trader Joe's hauls on my own anyway, so I was like, why not film a haul? Because I think all of this ended up being like $110, but I got a lot of stuff. It's a very well-priced grocery store, I feel. So I'm gonna be showing you everything that I got, and then yeah, just so you can see what I got. That's pretty much it. I zoomed you in a lot, but I'm just gonna go ahead and start with this bag right here, bag number 1. First thing, just boring some olive oil spray. Gonna need that to like bake with and stuff, or just spray a pan before I'm cooking like some chicken. Next up, I got some blue corn tortilla chips. You'll see what I got this to go with in a second, but I've always really liked this with like salsa and stuff, so some blue corn tortilla chips. I've never had theirs. I've never really had a lot of their food. Like I already said this, but I've only shopped there one time. Some of the items I got in today's video are repeats because I love them, so I'll be telling you which ones those are. This I actually heard a lot of good things about. It's the movie theater popcorn. Never tried it, but it says buttery popcorn for perfect for a movie night or any time. I love popcorn. I've literally gone to the movie theater, not to see a movie, but to get popcorn to go because of how much I love popcorn. But I figured this is probably a little bit healthier than that. I also love the Boom Chicka popcorn, whatever it's called. I don't even know if that's what it's called, but love popcorn. I'm a popcorn gal. Next up, I got this for breakfast. This I got in my last time I went to Trader Joe's in the haul at the beginning of the summer. Got it again. It is the non-fat plain 0% fat milk Greek yogurt. Sorry, that was like a huge blurb of words, but yeah, so it's just this. Actually, I watched Danielle Carolyn's videos a lot, and she got this, and that's why I tried it, and it's actually really good with like some berries and granola and like honey if you want. Next up, I got 2 shallots. I love to cook this like shallot garlic cream sauce, cheesy cream sauce for some pasta or steak or chicken. I may do a video where I make that on here. If you'd like to see it, let me know. It's really good. So yeah, that was all in bag number 1. That was actually probably the most empty bag. Everything else is a lot more full, so we're gonna go ahead and get to that. Diving right on into bag number 2. This is more of some cold stuff. I got the chicken fried rice. It's like frozen. You can either cook it in the microwave or on the stovetop. I've heard this was good. Like I said, I watch a lot of hauls of Trader Joe's, which is weird, but I do. Next up, I got some mushroom risotto. It says it's imported from Italy. I love risotto. I mentioned I went to the grocery store with my mom, and she always knows good stuff. She's never been to a Trader Joe's either because, again, we don't have them where we're from, but I noticed they don't have like Publix here. They do have Kroger, which I also went to Kroger yesterday to get some other things, but if y'all would like to see a Kroger haul, I go there literally all the time, so let me know. I love me some Kroger. These things I got the last time I was here back in May, and I ate them pretty much one a night for a whole week, and it was just like my dinner, and it's so good. So I got 2 different kinds. I got chicken burritos. They're chicken leg meat with beans, tomatoes, and onions. These are so good. Normally I just eat 1. You can eat 2, I think. Okay, the serving size is 1, but it's really, really good, and it really fills you up. It's like satisfying. I'm not sure if it's like, you know, the healthiest option. Like I said, like it's kind of known to be like a healthy grocery store, but it's really not. Like they have some, you know, unhealthy things in there as well. But these are the burritos that I really loved. They're just the bean and rice burrito. I don't know what it was, but these things are so good. I probably went through 3 packages of these. They're 99% fat free, and they're just beans and rice. They're really, really good. I highly recommend. They're very filling. So that's gonna be something that's gonna be easy for me. Like if I'm, cause I'm gonna be working all day every day and then coming home, I'm going to my boxing classes. And if I don't feel like cooking or if I don't have anything meal prepped, then I can just pop one of those in the microwave and eat it. So I'm really excited about that. This next thing, y'all, so good. I actually got 2 jars. This is not a jar. Cups. Is it a jar? Whatever. What is this? A bottle. What? I got 2 bottles of this so my mom could try it last night too. This is so good. My friends Lindsay, Tatum, and Madison introduced me to this stuff. It is sparkling pink lemonade. It's not alcoholic at all. It's just, here, if it'll focus. So this is what it looks like. It's just a bottle of sparkling pink lemonade. It's so good. It tastes like something you'd get at like a baby shower. It is delightful. 12 out of 10 recommend that stuff. It's, of course, it's not good for you. It says its serving size is about 4 servings, 8 ounces, 130 calories each, whatever. So it's so good though if you're wanting to have a little splurge night. I watched like The Bachelorette last night and then drank my sparkling lemonade and I was like, this is the life. But next up, I've already used a little bit of this for my coffee this morning. It's fat-free milk, non-fat milk. Yeah, good stuff. I needed that for like cereal or whatnot. Next up, I did not refrigerate this, which is probably not good, but I wanted to try this. I never really saw this in the store before. It's a juice shot. So it is it's called Organic No Joke Ginger. It says it's a blend of coconut water, ginger, and lemon juices with added cayenne pepper. I just got this because I thought maybe it'll make me get on that health kick, you know. And then the last thing in bag number 2 is some cream cheese. I got some bagels to go with this. I'll show you in a second. I just needed some cream cheese pretty much, and that was about it with that. And we're moving on to bag number 3 right now. This I'm actually really excited about. I'm only gonna cook this after this video because it looks really good. So it is a spatchcocked, I have no idea what that word means, lemon rosemary chicken. So it's a whole chicken. And it has this marinade on it and lemon, and so basically all it says on the back is to like cook it in the oven for an hour. And this I just thought would be really good. I've never really made a whole chicken before. I've never cooked chicken in the oven, so that does make me a little nervous because I'm always nervous about undercooking my chicken. And so we're gonna try that probably tonight or else it's gonna expire, so that's something I need to get on. But really excited about that. Next up though, I got some original coconut creamer. It's non-dairy because I'm trying to be healthier with my coffee. Like I already use non-fat milk, but like I really only make espresso. I don't have like an actual coffee machine or maker or anything like that. I just have an espresso maker, and so normally I just take like 2 pumps of syrup and then put like 2 shots of espresso and then pour a little bit of milk. If that's a latte, then that's what it is, but that's what I make like pretty much every day. And it's really probably like 12 to 16 ounces in the morning, and that's pretty much all I do. But I figured the coconut creamer, maybe you put a dash of that instead of milk. It might be a little, it says it's only 5 calories for a tablespoon, so I'm probably going to switch to that. Next up, I got some egg whites. I hate eggs. I really do, honestly. I think the texture is just weird. Not crazy about egg whites either, but I am going to be working every day and I need to force myself to eat protein in the morning. So I figured I could put like some onion in there, some peppers, maybe some cheese, and just make a little scramble and eat that up. So there are some occasions where I will eat like an omelet or like egg bites, but it has to have like, I don't know, something with it. Just plain like scrambled eggs. Next up, this is one of the things I got for the corn chips, and some salsa. It's just some mild salsa. Love salsa. Love any kind of Mexican food, so that's gonna be good. And this is probably what I'm about to eat after this video because I'm really excited to try it. Again, not healthy, but some Trader Joe's sour cream spinach dip. I love spinach dip, so I'm really excited to try this. I just got a little container. Next up, I got 2 kinds of pasta. First off, I got some Italian fusilli. Fusilli? I don't know how to say it, but it's I call them the corkscrew pasta, so that's what I got. This is like my go-to kind of pasta. And next up, because I want to try to be healthy, I got the same fusilli. I don't know how to say that. I call it the corkscrew. The organic brown rice and quinoa fusilli pasta. It's gluten-free, so this is what I'm also going to be trying because I really just got to start eating right and great and healthy. And so yeah, that's all for bag number 3. We're really getting it going, over halfway there. Number 4, the first thing I've actually got to cook like today also because it expires tomorrow, or I can freeze it, it says. But I got the ricotta and lemon zest stuffed pasta. This is what it looks like. I had I think it was like a goat cheese and sun-dried tomato pesto pasta or something like this that I got the last time I was there, and it was so good. But it says this is thin stuffed pasta with creamy ricotta and Sicilian lemon zest. That just sounds like heaven. So yeah, we're gonna try that. I also got this last time, and I told you I would let you know if I liked it or not, but I never did, so I'm letting you know now. I really liked it. It's the Green Goddess salad dressing. There was a place called Wellness Kitchen at Auburn, like on campus, a little dining thing, and they had some Green Goddess salad dressing there, but it's also good with like chicken. It has avocado, green onion, cold pressed lemon juice, chives, basil, garlic in it. And so it's just kind of like an herby kind of dressing, but it's also good with like salmon, things like that. It's kind of like thicker. Got some blueberries, some strawberries, and I like to put blueberries and strawberries in my Special K. Like, I didn't get Special K there, I got Special K at Kroger, and that's like my go-to favorite breakfast. Got some fresh squeezed orange juice. I love orange juice, so good. I got some shredded Parmesan cheese. I got this for the pasta that I make, otherwise I probably wouldn't buy cheese. Because I'm like one of the only people I don't like. I love bread, I love meat, I love all the other bad foods. I don't really love cheese all that much. And I know you're thinking, Claire, you've got cheese like all in front of you, but again, don't love it. I got 3 lemons because I love water with lemon. And I also got some kombucha. This is a strawberry lemonade kombucha. I don't think I've ever had this kind. Normally I get the Trilogy or the Gingerade, and so it kind of just makes you feel refreshed. Last bag, possibly the best bag. I don't know, I don't really know what's in here. Okay, I shouldn't have probably got this, but I got a pepper grinder. I don't think you can see it behind me. And I meant to get peppercorns to go in there, and they didn't have like a big jar of peppercorns, and at the time I forgot we were going to Kroger after, but I ended up getting more peppercorns after. But I got this black peppercorn with grinder because my roommate Anna in Auburn, she freshman year introduced me to ground up peppercorns instead of just pepper, and it totally changes the game for any situation, I promise. So good. This next stuff I'm really excited about because this is like their main big hype thing. It's the Everything But the Bagel Sesame Seasoning Blend. So it's like the Everything Bagel seasoning, so you can put this like on toast. I also got Everything Bagels, you're gonna see in a second. And so this is just seasoning. I don't really know what all I'm gonna put this on. Even if you got like plain bagels with cream cheese, you want to toss some of this on there. Ooh, sounds so good. Next up for the Greek yogurt that I got, and then also I got this because I thought I was gonna get some acai bowls, but I need to go to Walmart, I think, to get those because they didn't have them at Kroger. But this is a raw shelled hemp seeds, and then also I got some toasted coconut granola. Also got some chia seeds. So I got all 3 of these because it's just kind of like a healthy thing. You don't really, well, you taste the granola. The chia seeds and the hemp seeds are just something to add a little health to the bowl, a little bit more protein and all that good stuff. But then the granola is because it tastes good. Never had that kind, but I love coconut and I love granola. Next up, I got some asparagus. This is another thing that I gotta cook this week. So this means I got to cook, like I can't like avoid cooking. And last up, I already told you I got this, but I got some Everything Bagels. I love Everything Bagels. They're so good. My roommate Anna in Auburn, she loved Everything Bagels. So this is for her. That's pretty much it for today's Trader Joe's haul. Make sure to subscribe down below and leave me a comment letting me know if you'd like to see more of these videos, because I am going to be shopping at Trader Joe's a lot. And also if you want to see other grocery hauls, or if you want to see some cooking tutorials, making that pasta. I also know how to make the Shake Shack burger and the Shake Shack sauce. So let me know if you'd like to see that as well, but if not, that's okay too. But yeah, go ahead and subscribe. I'd love to see you back on my channel. And I think that's about it for today's video. I got all the food in front of me. I need to go put this back in the fridge and the cabinet. But yeah, I will see y'all in my next video, and thank you for joining me. And also, lastly, if you made it this far, as you can tell, I'm in a new place. I already mentioned this before, but if you would like to see my full apartment tour, make sure to click the link down below in the description box, because I'd love for you to watch it, because I really am so proud of how it turned out. It looks so cute. And so yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video, and have a great day wherever you are. Bye! Mwah.